advanced multi-mission attack helicopter from 120 Squadron, the AH-64D Apache Longbow. Major Hui Su Xian, call sign Je suis. He's a helicopter tactics instructor from 120 Squadron. His co-pilot gunner in the front seat is Major Adrian Quang. These two combat-ready big warriors have a total of 3,000 flying hours in this attack helicopter. Land strike capabilities. Together with other air and land platforms, the Apache dominates the land battle and enables the SCF to carry out a wide spectrum of operations and achieve mission success. Demonstrating the Apache's re-attack capability, Major Hui will now perform the yaw turn and fly right back into show center. This arm of protected helicopter is able to rapidly detect, classify and prioritize over 250 targets and also engage both stationary and moving targets at standoff range, demonstrating the power and maneuverability. The Apache in close air support, Major Hui will now perform a combat turn. The Apache is equipped with state-of-the-art longbow fire control radar and Hellfire anti-tank missiles, and designed to fight and prevail in day, night, and in adverse weather conditions. Major Hui will perform a backward flight. Look below the nose of the Apache. You'll notice the movement of the 30mm cannon, which can fire at a rate of up to 650 rounds per minute. From this backward motion, Major Hui will pull up into an impressive Viking climb and swings forward for his next maneuver. This advanced aerial fighting machine is capable of flying at over 300 kilometers an hour while carrying a full combat load. Flying fast at low altitudes, Apache pilots are trained to multitask while operating this sophisticated attack helicopter. They are drilled to manage the complex avionics, detect, track, and engage both air and ground targets, provide close air support, and to ensure the safety of the aircraft. Major Hui will now perform a spiral dive, showcasing the agility of this fighting machine and the handling skills of the pilot. Ladies and gentlemen, this aerial display a synergy of teamwork and professionalism demonstrates the RSF as an integrated force that fights as one to deliver mission success across a wide spectrum of operations. In the heart of our Air Force, it's our committed and competent people working seamlessly as a team to keep our nation's skies safe. Now, get your cameras ready as we are about to line up the skies for a grand finale with the bow and zoom.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Desmond and Jaime from the Apache. I trust that you have enjoyed our display. On behalf of Team RSF, we salute the nation with these bows.